Hey buddy, Sam back once again. Yes, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can carry unlock your iPhone 11. So yeah, let's get into it. So really straightforward. You are going to need the IMEI number. Now there's a couple of ways to get it. The easiest way is to do it on the phone. But if you have the box, if you look on the back of your box, you will find on there as well. But for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's say you don't have a box. So you want to go to your dialer. So you go straight into there. Go to the keypad. And you want to put *#06#. Now for my American friends, that's *#06#. And at that point, you'll be greeted with this. So on these phones, obviously you do normally have two IMEI numbers because one of it is for the actual SIM tray and the other is for the eSIM. So you probably have two of them. It's generally going to be the top one you are going to require. If you've only got one, then obviously give the one. But the top one is the one you're going to be requiring for today. So what I'm going to do is write that down, take a screenshot, whatever you want to do, and we'll go to the next stage of it. Right people, so here it is, theunlockingcompany.com. This is where you're going to be unlocking your phone. Very straightforward. We are doing an iPhone 11 today. So we're going to do the manufacturer as, you guessed it, Apple. Now if you've got another device and you're watching this video, then hello. You can pretty much do any device you can think of and look at all the brands there. But again, we're doing an Apple iPhone 11. But if you've got an iPhone 8, XS, whatever it might be, well, 10S. But we're going to be doing an iPhone 11 as you can see just here. So click iPhone 11 and then click unlock now. Right, we're then taken to the second option, and this is where you're going to tell them the original network provider. Now I'm thinking, I think I know what you mean, Sam. What I mean by that is, let's say, like me, I'm in the UK, and I will click United Kingdom. Happy days. Now I need to click what network I purchased it from. So in my case, I'm going to pick EE. So with the network where you would purchase it from. But let's say I purchased it from O2, etc. I'd pick them. But for me, I would click United Kingdom, then EE. But you thinking, Sam, I'm from America. Yeah. Okay, click United States. You're thinking, yeah, I bought mine on AT&T. Oh no, sorry, I bought mine on T-Mobile. Basically, if any of your carriers there, you'll be able to go ahead and try and do it. So an example, United States, AT&T, click next. And so on and so on and so on. But again, me, United Kingdom, EE, job done. Want to click next, so click that bad boy there. And at this point, we are at the providing the IMEI number. So remember that number I told you to get a couple of minutes ago? This is where you're going to require it. So what you want to do first of all is put in the IMEI number just here. It says there, it says enter the *#06# into your dial pad. So again, you should have that because I did show you. Now put that number into here. Put your full name, your delivery email address, and if you want to put your phone number, you can do, but it's not a requirement. You're going to get an average delivery time between 1 and 15 days. Not bad. And it will have your price just above it as well. At this point, we want to click order now. So I'm just going to put mine in and we'll see you on the next page. And this is it. We are now on the final page. So this is to confirm everything for you. So at the top, we can see it's for an iPhone 11. In my case, locked to the EE network. It's going to have your IMEI number, the country it's from, the email address and your full name. And then below, you want to put all your card information. So again, I'm not going to put it on camera now because obviously I don't want to use my card on the interweb. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the order through. And yeah, you should receive an email. And what we'll do is we'll go to the next stage. I'm going to tell you how you know if it's unlocked or not. So should we do that now? Yeah? All right. See you there. Alright, welcome back. So again, you should have your email now. And in the email, all it's going to be is pretty much tell you to do. There's two ways to kind of do this. What you really need to do is just take your current SIM card out of your device. So remember, if you're going to be going to another network, so an example, let's say I'm on EE in the UK, I want to go to O2, and I need to put my O2 SIM card in. If you're in America, and let's say you've bought it on AT&T, and you want to put a T-Mobile SIM card in, you want to take out your AT&T SIM card now, and then put in the T-Mobile SIM card. So I'm just going to swap this one over. Pop it out. Now SIM card inserted. Stick it off to the side. Let's bring in the new SIM card. And what should happen is automatically, it should just start working. Let's see if it's going to work on mine. Yes, it has. Boom. But there's an alternative one. So if that doesn't work, it has been known that it might not work straight away. What you need to do is actually hook this up to your computer. So an example, you hook up to your Mac or your Windows PC using the lightning cable to USB, plug it in, and you should get this on your screen. That basically telling you that, boom, it is now fully carrier unlocked, which now means you can take your phone to any network worldwide. Obviously, as long as they are a GSM network. So if you're going from AT&T to T-Mobile, you come visit me in the UK. You can then use your AT&T phone or your T-Mobile, well, your unlocked phone now, on any of the UK networks. And if people, if you've got any questions regards to this or anything else, you know what to do by now. Hit me up in a comment down below. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Go on, it is completely free. And go on, smash the like. You know you want to. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching, and you'll see me. Well, okay, come on. You never see me, but you'll definitely hear me in my next video. Cheers, everyone.